Okay, hello, hi guys, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. I'm your tutor Israr Ahmad from Tutor for IT. In previous class, we have discussed some theoretical concept about computer virtualization, and then we discussed some software for virtualizations. Today we are going to do a practical class by selecting one of the software that we have also discussed, the Oracle VM VirtualBox. That is a product of Sun Microsystem. Uh, so we will take VM VirtualBox software framework for our practical class. We will first install the VirtualBox, then we will discuss its working. So let's go to our practical class. Okay, so first we will open the web page where we can download the VirtualBox. So the web page is www.virtualbox.org. So here you will go to download section. Here this is the download section. Just click on download. Then you will see a lot of packages which are used for different operating system. As I am using Windows operating system, so I will install this one. If you are using different Linux or Apple, then you will install different package. So just click on here, it will start download, but as I have already downloaded the software, so it's no need for me, so I will just install it. So this is here is the package that I have downloaded from the virtualbox.org. I will just open. It's very simple to install, just like other software you have installed, you're using to install other software. So the same procedure, it's same method, you can install it. Just click on next. Here you can give the location where you want to install the software. So here you can select the location, but as I prefer the same location, the default location, so I just click next and then next, and it's give a warning, so avoid this. Okay, yes, and then install. So I start installation process. It's very simple. So we'll wait to complete the installation. It will start now, the installation. Okay, as it will take some time to install, so it's yes, installation is starting now. If you have any query regarding to this tutorial or other tutorial, so please visit our site www.facebook.com/tutor4it, and you can ask any questions, any queries, then I will try to answer you. Now the software is installed and we can now work on it. Okay guys, as we have installed the VirtualBox, and our next step is to learn how it works. As I told you before that one of the big advantage of virtualization is that by means of virtualization we can run multiple operating system and multiple application on the same physical machines. Um, Virtualization lets you to reduce cost while increasing the efficiency and utilization of your existing hardware. So now we are going to install one operating system on the existing operating system. To do that, we will create first a virtual drive for it, and then we will install the operating system. So let's start the step-by-step procedure that how we can do this by using virtual machine. Okay guys, now we are going to install the Windows XP as a virtual machine. You can install any operating system, it depends on you, but I will take only the example of XP to install XP uh, in our practical life show. So to do first, we will click on the new, this is the new button. You will see this wizard will appear, then click the next button. Okay, next button. Here under the VM name and the operating system type, name your virtual machine something sensible. For example, I'm going to install Windows XP, so Windows XP. Okay, and here it automatically select the operating system and the version. Okay, if I type Ubuntu, it will select the operating system as Linux and the version is the Ubuntu, which is the flavor of Linux. Okay, so now but make sure you choose Microsoft Windows as a type and Windows XP as a version, so VirtualBox can automatically give you the best default setting for your virtual machine. So Windows XP. Okay, next. Oh yeah, new and operating system name and operating system, then memory. Okay, choose something appropriate for the RAM size. It may be for example I'm giving 512. Okay, maybe 512 for Windows XP because Windows XP can be best operate on this size of RAMs. It depends on you, you can also increase if you have more RAM, it's on you. As I have available 4 GB RAM, so I select 512. I can also select it is example 124. Okay, then after this now let VirtualBox create for you a new virtual hard drive. So create a new hard disk. Okay, this will be a virtual hard disk. The next okay, now here you can select the virtual box disk image only. If you are using the image file, means you have an image file and you want to just run that image file, not to install, means the operating system you just want to run from the disk or from the image file. But as I'm going to create a virtual machine disk, so this will I will select this, then next. Oh yes. Okay, now here you can use dynamically expanding for most disk and set it to on your desire. You can select 80 GB, you can select 100 GB, 40 GB. You can always add more disk later if you need them later. So now you can I want dynamically allocated. You can also select fixed size. Okay, split into files of less than 2 GB. You can also select this, but this is not appropriate option, so I just click dynamically allocate. Then I will give the space for hard drive here. I can give I have option to give. So as window XP can be easily adjust and 10 GB, so it is best. Otherwise you can increase, you can see you can increase it, depends on you. Okay, so I just select 10. Okay, 10 GB. Now next, now our virtual disk is ready for installation. Okay, um, so congratulations, you have created a blank virtual machine ready to install Windows XP. Okay, now to install the Windows XP, we will first set up the setting for the XP, where to install the XP. So means we will select the CD drive, CD-ROM, or if you want to select from directly from the CD-ROM. If you want to install XP from hard disk, then select the location of the file. It depends on you. So setting, I will just click on setting here in storage, and then I click on storage. Here on this, you will select if you want to install to run the operating system is a live CD, so you will select this one. Means not to install on your virtual hard drive, but just you want to run the operating system, so you will select in the live CD or DVD. As I'm going to install it from the hard disk, so I will select here, then I will select the I will select the location. Here is my XP. Here is my XP file. I will select this is ISO file. I will select this file. If you want to install from the from the CD-ROM, so you will then select PC, and then when you select the CD-ROM, it's on you. Okay, so as I'm going to install it from the hard drive, as I have already the disk image of Windows XP, so I will select the Windows XP. I select it now. Okay, then I will click now we are ready to install the XP, and click on start. Okay, don't show this message again. It's basically hard keys. If you want to remove the auto capture keyboard option, turn on, so you will select this one. So I select this. Now it will start. Here you can see it start in the installation process. So my XP is now ready to install. It is installing. So we will wait for it. So now setup is starting Windows. Okay, now time is to create partitions. Okay, means as I have already created a virtual hard drive, and in total space of 10 GB. Okay, so now I'm going to create the partition. It depends on you how many how number of partition you can create, so it's on you. So I'm going to create a partition. Just click on C. Okay, so as I'm going to create one partition, so I select the all I select all MBs. There is no need to divide it. So then create enter. It is just like the XP you install normally on your machine, on your computer. Okay, now uh, enter, format your partition and use interface file. Okay, now you will format partition. Now our installation is continue and it's copying the files, but it will take some time. So after the completion of these installation I will come back again. Okay, now the installation process is continue and it will take about approximately 39 minutes, so we cannot wait for 39 minutes. So again after completion of installing Windows I will come back. Okay, guys, now our window is ready for use. It is just complete its installation. So we will go to escape. So this is the final installation. Finish. Now the welcome screen appears. Yes. Now our window is ready for use. So this is the Windows. It is ready for use. Uh, as you can see now, we have multiple windows now. This is my parent window that I have installed on this physical machine, and this one is the virtual machine that I have installed on my computer. So this is basically the advantage of virtualization. Okay, dears, you may learn a lot about computer virtualization and how we implement virtualization by using software framework. So this is enough for today. Take care of yourself. Inshallah, we will come soon in the next class with some different thing. So take care. Allah Hafiz.